I think I figured out how to go viral on YouTube. And if you don't know who I am, my name's Aman. I make videos for my younger self on YouTube. I try helping him navigate life, make better life choices, help him with his mental health so that he can lock in and do better in his life, right? So that's basically the type of videos I make. I have 3,000 subscribers, quarter million of views of my channel. So I'm not the biggest YouTuber who went viral, but I do have some success, and you don't get to 3,000 subscribers by accident, right? So I just wanted to say like my credentials and everything, because people put a lot of emphasis on credentials nowadays, right? So this is a theory that I've come up with after analyzing my own channel, after analyzing why I blew up and why like I started getting less views lately, right? There's this misconception that I had when I first started posting that more is better. Posting more videos is better because it's all a numbers game. If it takes only one video to go viral and I post 100 videos, one of those is bound to go viral. Like you have a 1% chance to go viral. So like you might as well take it. Compared to if I'm posting like once a week, but more quality videos, I'm gonna have to post more videos to get that one video to pop off, right? I mean, it's gonna take me more time for that one video to pop off compared to if I posted 100 videos in this 1 month. That's kind of where my mindset was at. So I just focus as much as I can on quantity. How many videos can I put out in a single week? Can I post 2 videos this week? Can I post 3? Can I try to push myself to post every single day if needed? That's exactly what I did, and I got to the point where my video popped off. The most viewed video on my channel got nearly 100K views, and it's just me talking about how much I hate my job, how soul draining it is, and how I ruin my mental health working here because it pays well, but the money that I do make from this job is going to feed my addiction so that I can fix my mental health. And it's just this constant never-ending cycle of ruining my mental health to fix my mental health with the money I get from this job, but I still have to go to this job in order to make more money, right? So that's besides the point. I thought this video was low quality, thinking, I recorded this video in my car talking like this to y'all, and it's like a 20-minute yap session about me just being angry about how frustrated I am. And the video did perform well. So I thought, okay, this video quality sucks. It has to suck because there's no editing and people enjoyed it still. So I continue to make more videos like that where I don't edit videos, where I don't have thumbnails on my videos, and I just yap nonstop in my videos. And I didn't repeat the success. There's some videos that did, it got like minor levels of success, but nowhere near the level of success that this first video did. 100K views. And I'm there thinking like, what am I doing wrong? What is causing me to not get the success that I did earlier? And it's because I'm so fixated on quantity that I completely neglected quality altogether. You can get away with it a little bit, but there comes a point where you need to start focusing on the quality of your videos, because if your content is trash, your content is trash regardless. You've got to realize that there are hundreds of videos being posted every single hour. Why would someone want to watch your video if your video was garbage when they can watch the exact same video by someone else who's either more funny, more entertaining, more, they resonate with their audience a lot more. They have a better personality. Like their videos are fun to watch compared to you who are just monotone making these videos in their bedroom talking about how they're going to get rich and escape the matrix. That's the thing. You need to start focusing on quality. Maybe in the beginning, quantity might help just so you get more comfortable on camera. You're speaking more fluently. You don't need to edit your videos as much. But there comes a point where you need to shift your attention to quality. And, I think we get quality really confused because people think, well, I want quality videos, I'm going to have to make videos like Mr. Beast. And I don't have Mr. Beast money. I can't give away millions of dollars to make videos because I don't have that type of money. I don't have that type of skill set. You don't need to be like Mr. Beast to have quality videos. There's really like 3 ways for your videos to be quality. There's the obvious one, the entertaining part, right? the Mr. Beast type of videos, the Aiden Ross type of videos, the Kai Cenat type of videos. These videos are purely entertaining, and the more entertaining you can make them, the more viral your video will be, because no one wants to watch a boring video when they can go watch a video that's 10 times more entertaining to watch. So entertaining is the first one that introduces you to quality. Second one would be the educational aspect, kind of like the type of videos I'm making, right? If I talk about in a video how to stop smoking weed, and I give you a step-by-step guide, but my step-by-step guide looks like step 1, stop smoking weed. Step 2, stop thinking about weed. Step 3, enjoy your life, because now you should have stopped smoking weed by now, right? If this is the type of advice I'm giving you in my video, I don't deserve to get views, bro. Like, this video was garbage. If you're posting videos like that, your videos don't deserve to get views either. But if you go more in detail, you actually take your time with it, and you put more emphasis on the educational aspect, where you are going in detail. You are teaching them how to stop smoking, how to get rid of those cravings you get every time you smell food, how to actually get through those withdrawals that you're dealing with, where you don't feel like doing anything and you can't even go to sleep to get your mind off of things because you are so used to smoking to fall asleep. Like, if you go in detail with every single aspect of it, that video's quality is a lot higher than someone who just gives you a basic rundown summary of it. So those are the two aspects of quality: educational, entertaining. The third aspect that is really, like, I didn't even understand it until now, is the emotional quality of it. And my video, for example, I thought it was low quality because it wasn't entertaining. You know, there's no edits in the video. I'm filming it in my car, just yapping for 20 minutes straight. And it's not educational either, because I'm just venting about my problems. I wasn't expecting people to watch the video, so I didn't go in depth into anything educational in it. At the time, I thought it's low quality because it didn't have those two attributes to it. But what I didn't know was that even though it was low in intellectual quality and it was low in entertaining quality, it was high in the emotional quality. This video, I maxed out my emotions on this video, where I'm on the verge of crying on this video. That's how emotional I am. And the people who watched this video resonated with my message, because they like, man, this dude is just being real with me right now. He's actually just pouring his heart out. He's being vulnerable on camera because he's just so fed up with his life. That is emotional quality. If you can invoke some type of emotion in people, they're bound to just keep watching your videos, because now they're emotionally invested in you. And you only really need two of these to pop off on the algorithm: either intellectual and emotional and entertaining. Intellectual and entertaining, whatever it is, you only need two of those for your videos to go viral. If you can get all three, that's basically the secret sauce. You've basically hit the lottery at that point, if you can manage to fit all three in your videos. One of them makes a good video, two of them makes a banger video, three of them makes you go viral. I make self-improvement type of videos. The main example I could think of is Hamza, who basically started this trend where everyone talks from their bedroom about self-improvement, but none of them actually know anything about it because they're just yapping about what they've heard online. His videos, they're entertaining because he's editing in a way where like it captivates your attention. It's emotional because he's opening up and being vulnerable on camera, and it's educational because he's actually giving you some sauce to improve your life. So he has all these attributes, and that's how he was able to grow so fast. And I talked to him, and he basically said, yeah, that's exactly what I did to pop off on YouTube, be able to hone in on these three attributes. And when I started popping off, I thought that my videos were low quality, but I didn't realize that I was maxing out the emotional quality of it. And so when I tried to repeat it, I would fake my emotions, because I'm not gonna lie, I'm scared to show my emotions on camera, just being vulnerable on camera, because I've been raised my whole life not to show emotions, to keep everything to myself. And so it's so difficult for me to actually express myself. that I was just fake it in my videos. And I thought I was doing a good job, thinking, okay, I don't really want to talk about myself, so I'll just like water it all down so that I'm not really talking about myself. Of course, the videos don't do well. Like, how shocking, right? If you really want to max out the emotional part, you really need to go in deep with your emotions. Like, put everything on blast. Like, there are sometimes there are things that you don't want to talk about that might be a little too private. Those might sometimes even be the reason why people end up staying in your video, staying to watch your videos, because you're just being so real with them, so genuine and authentic with them, that how can someone who is withholding themselves from everyone else gonna compete with you? I skimped off on that, and I didn't do as well as I wanted to on my videos. I also skimped out on the educational aspect because I figured I made my most popular videos within like half an hour. So that means I need to spend half an hour on my videos to pop off again. It's like 1 + 1 = 2 type of thinking, which is not true at all. Sometimes you just be in the zone where you are able to produce amazing works of art within minutes. Sometimes you've got to put in some effort into your videos. You can make it look nice. You can put the entertaining aspect in it where you're editing your videos, you're making a good thumbnail, you are doing what you can to hold people's attention. But if the video sucks, your video sucks regardless, bro. It's like, would you rather have a gift that looks nice on the outside but terrible on the inside, or would you rather get a gift that's just in this plain brown box, but inside it's like the number one gift you could have asked for? Most people would actually choose the second option because it's just psychology at that point, because you are increasing, you've met your customers, you've met your viewers' expectations with the second option, whereas in the first option you've let down their expectations. So you leave like a bitter taste in their mouth. They're gonna click off of your videos, never come back. It doesn't matter how good your videos are edited, your good edits are not gonna make up for your terrible videos. So keep that in mind. If you are going to choose just one, focus on quality over, focus on the video content's quality first before you focus on the entertaining aspect of it. I'm reading this community post. I basically yapped about the same thing I've written out earlier today. So if you want to read it, you can read it. It's on my channel. Go check it out. But that is basically my 13-minute yap session about improving your videos, why you're not going viral, and what you should do to go viral. Basically, if it's quality and the amount of time you spend on a video dictates how well the video will perform, then spend more time on your videos. Basically, what I've been doing is I don't really script my videos. I just talk about what goes on in my head. If I did write about my videos beforehand, I'd spend like half an hour writing out my videos just so that I could like organize my thoughts. Whatever you're doing right now, why don't you multiply by 10? If you spend half an hour writing out your thoughts, why not spend 300 minutes writing out your thoughts? 5 hours on it. If you spend an hour editing your videos, why not spend 10 hours editing your videos? See how much of an improvement you can make by just multiplying your efforts by 10 times. And I choose 10 because that's just an easy number to follow. If you want to multiply your efforts by 2, go ahead, do it by 2, do it by 5, 17 if you want. But if I'm right, and the more effort you put into your videos, the more you emphasize quality in your videos, then you're going to get quality results. You're going to get the results you want. But if you're just here posting videos thinking, okay, I just need one video to pop off, bro, then I'm going to go and flex on my yacht, this 20,000 rollie on my wrist, you're not going to pop off like that, bro. I'm being real with you right now. You're not going to. It's not really a numbers game. It's more of a qualities game, because you've got to realize your viewers are coming to you. They're spending their precious time to watch your videos. You might as well give them what they want. You might as well make them feel like they made the good choice, the right choice to watch your videos, prior to them regretting clicking on your videos in the first place. So keep that in mind and focus on quality. Subscribe too.